Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Pandas spawn only in bamboo jungle biomass near dense bamboo clusters and melons. Locate a bamboo jungle and mark coordinates with a map or compass. Approach slowly and carry a stack of bamboo to feed them. Feed one bamboo to each panda to make them willing and to start breeding. Watch for baby pandas showing unique personality traits like lazy or playful behaviors. Use a name tag to prevent your panda from despawning after taming it. Clear a safe path between the panda spawn and your base before moving it. Use a boat to transport pandas safely across water and land without suffocation. Place a boat next to the panda and right-click to board it, then push or row as needed. Leads can secure pandas for short moves, but boats are faster for long distances and easier across irregular terrain. Build a temporary 10x10 fenced pen at both ends to load and unload the panda safely. Design a permanent 10x10 enclosure with a 2-block-high fence and a gate for easy access. Include water features and 3 bamboo clumps spaced 2 blocks apart for natural feeding and wandering. Plant a bamboo farm that produces at least 20 bamboo stalks to ensure continuous food supply and breeding options. Keep the enclosure well lit and free of hostile mobs that can scare your panda. Panda breeding has an approximate 5-minute cooldown between breed attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.